Hey, in this tutorial we are going to see how the color palette works in Elementor. Okay, you may be thinking why we should use the color palette. The answer is easy. You can handle your website's color more professionally, decorated and clean way. You don't have to copy and paste your color all the time. You will find the color palette Elementor free and pro both of versions. I am Fahd Ahmed, professional web developer at Wordpress.com. Let's start the journey. Here is our Elementor canvas. We will try the color palette here. We already take some dummy content here. At the top we take a heading element, then we take some text here, and then we have a button. Wait for a moment. If you don't know about WordPress or Elementor, I am giving you some powerful resources at the description below. You can check it out. Okay, now we will go to the left hamburger menu here. Then we will click the default colors. Here is our color palette and here is more color palette Elementor gives us. If I click any of them, you will see the color scheme will be changed. Like if I click the Joker, see the color scheme is already changed. Then if we click the ocean, the color scheme is already changed. If we click the violet, the color scheme will be like this. If we click the royal, the color scheme will be like this. And those color will be shown here. We can also change our color from here. For now, we are selecting the sweet on. Okay. If you want the primary color will be more darkened, then you can choose this. You see, the heading color is already changed. Okay. For now, I am putting this color. If I want the text color will be more darkened, then I will select the color like this. Okay. And if I want the accent color, it should be changed. Okay. Okay. So you can basically control color palette like this. Then if we click the edit items, if we click the text color here, we will see a default color palette here. If you want to change the default color palette from here, we can simply drag it, put it into delete, drag it and put it into delete, drag it, delete, drag it, delete, drag it. Okay, we remove all those color. Now we only have two colors, black and white. Then we want a green color here, so we will select the color and we will hit the plus button. The color is already here. Then we want a blue color and we will click the plus icon. The color is added here. Then we want a purple color. Okay, we will click plus button. The color is here. If you want any sky blue color or something like that, you can choose the color and plus here the color will be added here. You don't have to copy or paste your color every single time. Then if you want to change your text color, you can simply click the edit icon, go to the style tab, text color, this or this. Okay. If you want to change your button color, simply click the edit icon, style, background color, this, hover, background color, this. Okay, this way you can change your color palette. It will be more faster and easier for your work. So this was our journey today. If you need any professional help, you can contact us from heywordpress.com/contact, and don't forget to comment that what type of content you want to see. You can also like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. This way you will never miss any update cause we are uploading new video every single day. I am giving you a big thank you for watching. Goodbye and good luck.